Let's get real for a second. Dropshipping is not the most sustainable way to grow on Shopify in 2021.
Oh man!
Now, don't get me wrong, it is an amazing way to get started, but it is extremely hard to scale for the long term. And just to be clear, I've made well over 7 figures with dropshipping, but it's just not how I run my business anymore. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm making over $100,000 a month on Shopify without dropshipping. If you're new here, my name is Jordan, and I'm currently documenting the entire process of growing my e-commerce brand with as much transparency as possible. So if you're interested in starting your own online store, make sure to subscribe for new videos every single Friday. All right, now let's get started. Firstly, I wanna talk about some of the pros and cons of dropshipping. I think the major cons with the dropshipping business model are pretty clear. Terrible customer experience. Due to slow shipping times and a lack of quality control, you typically have a poor customer experience, which ends up with a bunch of bad reviews and upset customers, which kills your long-term potential. For this reason alone, this business model is much less sustainable than the one I'm gonna share with you today. And another major con is that it is extremely low-hanging fruit for anybody with a decent skill set to come and just steal your product like that. Now, dropshipping is not all bad. There are some benefits to it. I think for a beginner with next to no money, it's a pretty good way to learn the basic skill sets and having the freedom to test a variety of products without having to spend a bunch of money on ordering inventory. So I'm not against dropshipping all the way, but it's just not how I run my business anymore. So how am I currently running my Shopify business? Well, it's surprisingly simple, but it's so much more effective. Basically, I'm running a branded Shopify store. This is a store that focuses on selling one main product or a variety of products that are directly related. This store has a premium look and feel similar to the biggest companies out there. And as opposed to drop shipping, I actually hold inventory for this product and ship it with private shipping lines. Now, as a beginner, this might sound a little overwhelming to get to this level, but I promise you it's possible and it's so worth it. So now I'm going to share my 3 steps for going from this traditional dropshipping model to building a brand and making money without dropshipping. So the first step is to find a winning product. Now, honestly, you could just pick a product and go directly to ordering inventory and fulfilling it in-house. But I don't think that this is the most effective way, because if you can't get the ads for that product to work, you're gonna be stuck with inventory and you're gonna lose way more money than you need to. So I would totally advise finding your first winning product with dropshipping. There's a specific type of store that I recommend testing products on that has the highest conversion rate and is exactly what I use to test and find the winner I'm selling today. And I've gone ahead and created a sample of exactly what this store looks like so you guys can get some inspiration. So let's take a look. This is a sample store that looks identical to the one that I found my winning product on. I would classify this store as a broad niche store in the plant and gardening niche. What a store like this allows you to do is freely test products just like you would be able to on a general store, but with a premium and trustworthy feel that you would have on a legitimate brand. A store like this is not too difficult to set up. I'm using the Impulse theme for this store, and it took me a couple hours to put it together. If you want to see a step-by-step guide on how I built this store, I've included a full tutorial inside of my e-com toolkit Viral Vault, which you can check out in the link down below. So step number 1, build out a nice professional broad niche store, test products with Facebook ads, and once you find that winner, it's time for step 2 and taking things to the next level. So step 2 is stop dropshipping from AliExpress and improve your fulfillment. This step alone takes your brand to a much higher level. Now your customers are happier, you feel better about your business, and you're gonna be making so much more money in the long term because of it. To get away from dropshipping is quite simple, and I'm gonna break down exactly how to do it right now. So without a doubt, the best website for sourcing your products when trying to stop dropshipping is Alibaba. Alibaba allows you to connect directly to the manufacturers of the product, so you don't have to pay the extra middleman prices that you would be paying on AliExpress. This also means that you're going to be getting the best possible pricing for your product and be able to order your products in bulk. So as you can see on this store, I'm selling a variety of plant and garden-based products. And if we do a quick search on Alibaba, you're gonna see a lot of the same products for so much cheaper than you would find on AliExpress. For example, to fulfill this product on AliExpress, it's gonna cost us around $15. But once we validate the product that it's working, we can actually find that same product on Alibaba for only $2.50 a unit. And if we do an order for over 1,000 pieces, which is totally fine as long as the product is working, we can actually customize the product and directly put our logo on it. And if we do at least 500 pieces, we can put our own logo on the box. These three things alone are gonna elevate your store to the next level. You're gonna be making more money per sale. You're gonna have your product branded and a better unboxing experience for your customers. If you guys are looking for some incredible products that are super untapped, make sure to tap into the March Expo that Alibaba is hosting. This is where they unveil a lot of the newest designs and products that have yet to hit the market. It's very similar to going to a trade show in person and getting to be one of the first people to look at these products before they take off. And as you can see, they're gonna be showing you the new product arrivals, their top ranking products in all categories, and they're even gonna show you their personal recommendations for products that are gonna take off this year. So I'm gonna put the link for this down below. Make sure you guys take a look at this because you're going to be able to find some incredible products there. So once you've searched around and found the best supplier for your product on Alibaba, it's time to start working with an agent. An agent is somebody that can reach out directly to that manufacturer, negotiate a better price for you, and handle all of the fulfillment process for your store. There are a ton of people that offer this service. The company that I use is called Ecom Ops. I'm not sponsored by them. I literally use them in my store and they do a tremendous job. I'm pretty sure they're booked up with clients, but like I said, there are a ton of options for agents and I'll go ahead and put a couple of them down below in the description. So to get away from drop shipping, it's really not that difficult. The hardest part is actually testing and finding that winning product. But once you have it, it's not hard to get away from drop shipping and start holding your own inventory. And once you get past that stage, it's all about just growing your business further. These are really the things that I'm focusing on right now in my brand, trying to take this to a multi-7-figure a year level. I'm primarily focusing on building out my team further, hiring more customer service people, hiring people to manage my social media page, hiring people to create content, more people to run my ads. I want to build a squad of motivated people so that we can really create an asset. I focus heavily on improving my store, so I'm constantly testing different things. I even paid a couple $1,000s to have a design firm come in and redesign my whole website. I'm trying to create as much content as I can, so I'm constantly filming videos for my product, having my friends take photos with my products, and just trying to stack up as many photos and videos as possible. As a brand, this is one of the most important things and it really elevates you to the next level. And ultimately just focusing on improving 1% every single day. So that's pretty much exactly how I'm making over $100,000 a month without drop shipping. So I hope this title wasn't too much of clickbait because yes, I did use dropshipping to get to this level, but the second that you have the opportunity to stop dropshipping, you need to do it immediately because it is the only way to run your business for the long term. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. The links to everything I mentioned are gonna be down below in the description. I try my best to answer every comment down below as well. So if you have questions about anything I said in this video, feel free to let me know. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for new videos every single Friday. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.